Hello everyone, my name's John and welcome to this very quick video. As most of my regular viewers will know, I've had my first 3 recipe books out for quite a while now, and I'd like to introduce you to my 4th recipe book. I've been asked many times to produce a book that consolidates all of my bread recipes into one place, so I've taken all of my bread recipes from my first 3 books along with a few others and produced my 4th book, and it's called 30 Amazing Bread Recipes. And as in books 2 and 3, book 4 also has the extra feature of these amazing QR codes. All you have to do is scan the code with your camera on your smart device and it'll take you instantly to the corresponding video on YouTube. Just like that. The new book 4 is available in the website shop. I'll leave a link in the description box below the video, or you can click on the eye icon top right of your screen if you want to order a copy today. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel everyone, it is much appreciated. And talking of bread recipes, my next video is this fantastic tiger roll tutorial. It's a relatively quick, easy and delicious recipe to follow, and I'll be posting it in a couple of hours time, so not long to wait for this one guys. So, thanks again everyone, and I'll see you very soon.